Now I'm going to see how to delete a Docker container. In previous video, we saw how to run a container. We did not create a container, just ran a container. How? By fetching the image from image tag and using a port to map it. And the command was something like docker run -d -p, then specified by the port, and then minus name, then the name of the image. And where are we getting the image from? It was using nginx, then colon, then the tag that was alpine. So it was using the alpine tag to fetch the nginx image and running it in detached mode using -d command, and uh, it just specified an external port. The default port is 80 and it used 8080 as an external port, so the specified port was 8080:80. This was through the -p command, and this was the whole command that we used in the previous video. Now we are going to delete a container. So let me see how to delete a container. Now here I can see delete Docker container. I have already started this lab. Let me switch to it. Now in this one of the project developers created this a container on this server. So let me SSH into this server. That is app server 3. Okay, so we are in. Now this container was created for testing only and needs to be deleted. Accomplish this task by as per details given below. Delete container name this. It is running on this. First docker ps to see the images we have. This get it like there. Okay, port name created. Okay, now I need to delete it. How can I check the running container? It is saying up 3 minutes. Now I need to delete the container named KKE container. That is this. So how do I delete it? I might want to go to the official documentation. Delete here. I want to delete it through CLI, not through this. Can I? So this is my first time going on to the documentation. I am yet to learn how to navigate through this. I guess this should be the one. This will kill the container, not delete it. RN should do it. Remove one or more containers. First I should kill the container because that is running, right? So I should use docker kill, then container, then container name, I guess. Let's try it. Docker kill the container name. Will it work directly? Now let's see docker ps. Did it work just like that? I did not delete it, I just killed it. Okay, so it is saying this lab will end in 5 minutes. No worries, no issues. You have not deleted the container 3. I know, I just killed it. What can I do then? I can try this lab once again. So killing the container should be important. I'm not sure. Let's try docker kill. Let's try docker remove directly. Will it kill the container also? Will docker kill? No. Will docker rem also kill the Let's see. This was my question, right? Yes, it will also kill the container before removing it. This is because the rm command is essentially a shortcut for stop, followed by rl. Okay, perfect. I have to go into this server, app server 1. Okay, I have to be in app server 1. I am already in app server 1. Let me see docker ps. This is Thor. I need to be in Iron Man. Okay, Tony. Docker ps. Yes, the container is there. I copied it. Now docker rm, the container name. You cannot remove a running container. I know, I thought it will, but see, this is when AI also gives wrong answer. Here. So before this, let me also try the one that was given on the documentation. Right? That was not this. Okay. No, why? We killed it. Now let's try this. Okay. It should work now. Here. Done.